Section 10 of Birds, Volume 2, Number 6, December 1897, read for LibriVox.org by Alan Mapstone. The Birds of Bethlehem. I heard the bells of Bethlehem ring, their voice was sweeter than the priest's. I heard the birds of Bethlehem sing, unbidden in the churchly feasts. They clung and swung on the swinging chain, high in the dim and incensed air. The priest, with repetitions vain, chanted a never-ending prayer. So bell and bird and priest I heard, but voice of bird was most to me. It had no ritual, no word, and yet it sounded true and free. I thought child Jesus, were he there, would like the singing birds the best, and clutch his little hands in air, and smile upon his mother's breast. R. W. Gilder in The Century. End of section 10. This recording is in the public domain.